Founded in 2010, GELGOOG focuses on the processing of pastry, fruits, vegetables, nuts. Adhering to the mission of making food production simpler and safer, it provides global food companies with an end-to-end solution of food technology plus production line equipment plus full process service. GELGOOG has 5 offices in Zhengzhou, Guangzhou, Shanghai, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and Jakarta, Indonesia, and has built 2 research and development and manufacturing bases in Guangzhou and Zhengzhou, covering an area of more than 20,000 square meters. Among them, the Zhengzhou factory mainly produces fruit, vegetable and nut equipment, and the Guangzhou factory mainly produces biscuits and other bakery equipment. The research and development team accounts for 30% and has full process capabilities from design, manufacturing to commissioning and delivery. GELGOOG insists on technological innovation, invests 15% of its operating income in research and development each year, has passed ISO system certification, has more than 70 invention patents and copyrights, and more than 30 EU-CE certifications. The company attaches great importance to the research of basic food technology. It has built a 300 square meter food technology laboratory and its own biscuit factory. It cooperates with scientific research institutions such as Zhongyuan Food Laboratory and Hunan Academy of Agricultural Sciences to provide full process food process development, verification and optimization services from small trials to production trials to promote technology upgrades. GELGOOG has always been customer-oriented, formulated more than 130 service standards, and formed an exclusive project team, including account managers, research and development engineers, manufacturing engineers, project managers and delivery experts, to provide customers with planning customization, process research and development and verification, research and development manufacturing, quality inspection, installation and commissioning, accessories support, process and technology training, follow-up guidance and 24/7 hours online service to ensure the smooth implementation of each project. In recent years, GELGOOG has been invited to participate in international economic and trade exchanges in Austria, Italy, Serbia and other countries, as well as government-level activities such as the Hunan Canada Embassy in China Business Seminar, Latin America Belt and Road Economic and Trade Fair, and Cambodia Economic and Trade Fair, and has won more than 10 honors such as High-Tech Enterprise and Innovative Small and Medium Enterprises, highlighting its industry status. At present, the company's business has covered more than 180 countries and regions, serving more than 6,000 companies, and has in-depth cooperation with global top 100 food companies such as Nestle, Cargill, Unilever, Uni-President, and Dole, accumulating rich project experience, continuously optimizing processes and service standards, and greatly improving customer experience. With its excellent product quality and technical solutions, GELGOOG has won bids for government and United Nations projects in the Philippines, Bolivia, Saudi Arabia, Kazakhstan and other countries many times, helping to upgrade the global food industry. GELGOOG provided detailed on-site process training for old customers in Jamaica, and successfully completed the installation, material trial and delivery of the biscuit production line upgrade, and its professional services were highly recognized. In recent years, GELGOOG has successfully delivered large-volume automated biscuit production lines in Bolivia, the Middle East and other places through the Process Plus Equipment Plus Service Full Process solution, and has continued to win praise from customers. Join hands with Dole in the Philippines to jointly carry out food process development and verification, customize large-volume production line equipment, combine Dole's 60 years of project experience for strict inspection, and send an engineer team to provide installation and delivery, technical training, and accompanying production services. GELGOOG, together with the well-known brand Machu Picchu, successfully built the first fully automatic egg cone production line in Peru. With excellent equipment performance and thoughtful delivery service, the customer placed an additional order for the second time within a year. Signed a cooperation contract for Bolivia's key project to welcome the 200th anniversary of the founding of the country. After the completion of the project, the annual processing capacity will exceed 40,000 tons, and it will become one of the largest agricultural and sideline product processing bases in Latin America and even the world. According to the needs of Nigerian customers, we carried out food technology research and development, and built a medical-grade RUTF peanut butter production line that meets the United Nations standards. It became one of the only two in Africa, providing strong support for improving child malnutrition. In the future, GELGOOG will continue to focus on technological innovation, work with global customers and partners, and jointly promote the digital transformation and sustainable development of the food industry.